Crypto Wealth Secrets: How to Get Rich in Your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. So, you've probably had something like this happen to you in the cryptocurrency bull markets. Your mother-in-law calls you up and asks, "Hey, should I buy this Trump crypto coin that I just heard about on the news? Maybe I should put $1,000 into it. What do you think?" Or maybe it's about dog coins or something similar. You say, "Look, Mom, I'm not a financial advisor. Such questions are not easy to answer." But where do you start when it comes to deciding what kind of coins to invest in and how to approach investing in the cryptocurrency market? Let's divide the answer today by age group, starting with your 20s. Depending on where you are in life, your approach to risk will differ. At the end of the video, we'll even cover advice for your mother-in-law, who's probably in her 60s. Before diving into age groups, let's cover some general financial principles that are universally sensible. Avoid consumer debt. Maintain an emergency fund. Set aside money for taxes. These are the basics, but now, let's dive into the crypto-specific advice that might be useful for you. Alright, so you're in your 20s, you're just getting started in life, you're probably still figuring things out, and that's okay. The good news is, time is your greatest asset right now. You have decades ahead of you to ride out market ups and downs. This means you can afford to take on more risk, and when I say risk, I'm talking about calculated risks. Now is the time to be aggressive, especially when it comes to learning. The crypto space is constantly evolving, so treat it like your own personal MBA. Immerse yourself in it. Learn everything you can about blockchain technology, different crypto projects, and how to analyze market trends. There are tons of free resources online, from YouTube channels to blogs to podcasts. But don't just consume information, apply it, experiment with trading on different platforms, try out different strategies, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember, you're learning, and the lessons you learn from your early wins and losses will be invaluable later on. Look, your 20s are a time for hustle. Go get a job in the crypto industry, even if it's not your dream job right away. The experience and connections you gain will be worth more than gold in the long run. Plus, working in the industry will give you a front-row seat to the latest trends and opportunities. Now, in terms of investing, remember that high risk can lead to high rewards. You can afford to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to more volatile assets. Think of those low-cap altcoins, the ones with the potential to 10 times or even 100 times. Do your research, but don't be afraid to take a shot on something that seems promising. This doesn't mean you should go all in on every meme coin that pops up. Diversification is still important, even in your 20s. Have a plan, stick to it, and don't get emotional when the market gets bumpy. Remember, the name of the game in your 20s is to learn, experiment, and build a strong foundation for the future. The crypto market is volatile, but if you approach it with a long-term mindset and a willingness to learn, you can set yourself up for some serious success. You've hit your 30s, you've learned a lot in your 20s, maybe you've had some wins, maybe some losses too, but the key is you've gained valuable experience. Now it's time to leverage that experience to level up your crypto game and start building serious wealth. By now, you should have a better understanding of your risk tolerance. You've seen how the market works, and you know what you're comfortable with. This is the time to start fine-tuning your investment strategy. You might even consider working with a financial advisor who understands the crypto space. Your career should be more established, and you're likely earning more than you were in your 20s. This means you have more capital to invest, but it also means you need to be smarter about how you allocate those funds. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to crypto. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and of course, crypto. Within crypto, you might consider shifting towards a more balanced approach. While you can still hold some of those high-risk, high-reward altcoins, you'll want to increase your allocation to more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of it like this. Bitcoin and Ethereum are like the foundation of your crypto portfolio. They provide stability and long-term growth potential. Then you can sprinkle in some of those more speculative altcoins on top, but don't go overboard. This is also a good time to explore additional income streams within the crypto space. Maybe you've become an expert in a particular area of crypto, like DeFi or NFTs. You could leverage that knowledge to offer consulting services, create educational content, or even start your own crypto-related business. The key in your 30s is to find the sweet spot between risk and reward. You're not as young as you used to be, but you're not old either. You have time to recover from mistakes, but you also want to start seeing significant growth in your portfolio. Chapter 3. Crypto in your 40s. Compounding wealth and managing risk. Welcome to your 40s. You've put in the work, you've gained valuable experience, and you're likely starting to see some real progress in your crypto journey. Now, it's time to shift your focus towards preserving and growing the wealth you've accumulated. Remember that time is still on your side, but it's not as abundant as it once was. This means you need to be more strategic about your investments and more mindful of risk management. By now, you should have a solid understanding of your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, your kids' college education, a down payment on a bigger house? Whatever your goals are, make sure your crypto investments are aligned with them. You might consider diversifying your crypto profits into more traditional assets like real estate or index funds. This will help protect your wealth from the volatility of the crypto market while still allowing you to benefit from its growth potential. Don't be afraid to take some chips off the table and invest in more stable assets. This doesn't mean you should completely abandon crypto, but it does mean you should be more selective about your investments. Focus on projects with strong fundamentals and a proven track record. Look for companies with experienced teams, solid technology, and a clear vision for the future. This is also a good time to start thinking about estate planning. Make sure your loved ones know about your crypto investments and how to access them in case something happens to you. Remember, your 40s are a time to leverage your experience and knowledge to make smart, calculated decisions that will set you up for a comfortable and secure financial future. Chapter 4. Crypto in your 50s. Preserving wealth and securing your legacy. You've reached your 50s, a time when many people start thinking seriously about retirement and their financial legacy. While you've likely built a solid foundation for your financial future, it's crucial to adapt your crypto strategy to prioritize wealth preservation and long-term security. Remember, the crypto market is still volatile, and chasing the next big thing might not be the best approach at this stage. Instead, focus on consolidating your gains and protecting your assets. Consider reducing your exposure to high-risk investments like low-cap altcoins and meme coins. While they might offer the allure of quick profits, they also carry a higher risk of significant losses. Instead, allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These digital assets have a proven track record and are considered relatively less volatile compared to newer entrants in the market. This is also an opportune time to diversify further into traditional assets like real estate, bonds, and dividend-paying stocks. These investments can provide a steady stream of passive income, which can be particularly beneficial as you approach retirement. Estate planning becomes even more critical in your 50s. Ensure that your crypto holdings are accounted for in your will or trust. It's crucial to clearly outline how you want your digital assets to be distributed, ensuring a smooth transition for your beneficiaries. Remember, your 50s are not the time to gamble with your hard-earned savings. Embrace a more conservative approach, prioritizing the preservation of your wealth and securing your financial legacy for generations to come. Chapter 5. Crypto in your 60s and beyond. Financial security and peace of mind. Congratulations! You've reached your 60s, a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and embrace a well-deserved retirement. While you might think that crypto is a young person's game, it can still play a role in your portfolio, albeit with a more conservative approach. At this stage, your primary focus should be on preserving capital and generating passive income to support your lifestyle. The goal is to enjoy financial security and peace of mind, knowing that your nest egg is secure. While you can still hold a small percentage of your portfolio in Bitcoin and Ethereum for potential long-term growth, avoid risky ventures like day trading or investing in obscure altcoins. Your risk tolerance should be significantly lower now. Instead, consider exploring stablecoin investments. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the value of fiat currencies like the US dollar, offering stability and a hedge against inflation. You can also explore staking your crypto holdings to earn passive income. Staking involves holding your crypto in a designated wallet to support the security and operations of a blockchain network, earning you rewards in the process. Remember, your 60s and beyond are about enjoying the fruits of your labor. While crypto can still play a small role in your portfolio, prioritize investments that offer stability, security, and peace of mind. Focus on enjoying your retirement and spending time with loved ones, knowing you've made sound financial decisions. Chapter 6. Building crypto wealth at any age. So there you have it. a crypto investment strategy tailored for every decade of your life. Remember, the key is to adjust your approach as you age, taking on less risk and prioritizing wealth preservation as you get closer to retirement. No matter what your age, always do your research, invest responsibly, and never put in more money than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is full of opportunities, but it's important to navigate it with caution and a long-term perspective. By following these guidelines, you can tailor your crypto strategy to your stage of life and financial goals.